Hey guys, what's going on? It's Meshi with Meshi TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today we're going to be setting up our Layers Life Planner once again. I didn't actually end up filming. This is sort of the monthly setup that I've done. I'm not going to be uploading it because honestly, it was just me setting up the monthly and I moved right along. So I didn't really feel the point. This is last week's spread in case you missed it. This didn't make it onto YouTube and that's okay. But overall, here it is. Pink is dominating. Some donuts are dominating. I really love the stick figures. If you haven't tried them from Happy Planner, you absolutely should. Okay, let's just move right along. So here's the full week. I'm absolutely loving the fact that we are working with the vertical layout. I'm not sure what we're going to do, but on the side, you will see that I'm using, okay, here's just a quick look at the little dots and how I actually set up the different categories for the year at a glance. I only set it up until about March of next year, which is totally fine. And we'll wait with, stickering up from April to like next December. It's way too far out as of right now. Okay, here we are, blank canvas. Let's get started. I am using sort of like a scrapbook booklet from Jane Davenport. So we'll see how that one goes. You can actually see that to the side of the page. Super pretty. So I'm hoping that I can just kind of chop it up into a few different pieces. And then after that, we can sort of start decorating it. So you will see that I'm going to be speeding through a lot of this. Here's the full image in its entirety. I think it absolutely looks stunning. I love the watercolor concept and the women. Just everything about this page is it just screams like very soft and whimsical. Like I love stuff like that. So I'm just going to put some music on for you so that you can just kind of watch it.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way.
So here we're just coming to the very end of the setup, and I'm just looking at like a couple of extra, I guess, quotes or just anything inspirational that we can sort of add to the spread. I really love how the layered boxes end up actually coordinating really perfectly with the craft paper that we are using here. Let's talk about the word of the week that we're going to be setting up in a mere moment. I thought that I would put like a clear sticker over that little washi strip that I created, but like none of it was really working out. So moving on to the word of the week, I really just started like writing it out with a pen, and you will see like how it actually turned out, but I like kind of just sketching it out first. before I actually write it out. But word of the week, I will just leave it in the cards. If you haven't seen any of my videos where I do end up picking one word, one intention, one direction, essentially, that can give us sort of an idea or like a filter that you can put your actions through, I guess. In the bottom, I'm using that section not so much for meal planning, but I decided that each day whenever I pull an oracle card or I pull an intention card, then those will be the words that I will be using. Here I'm just looking for, I know that Erin Condren in the previous sticker kit had just some similar colored just single boxes, so that's what I will be laying down here in the bottom. And then we're basically done. I will show you the finished, completed look. It looks a little bit busier than what you're seeing right now. See, there's the sticker set. I just went to grab it. And it looks like it actually color matches everything. So I know some of you put that at the very end of the month or the beginning of the month on that single page to just kind of break up the categories. And I might end up doing that next month. We will see. We shall see. I so wish that I had more of these clear, just handwritten or calligraphy written stickers, though. I might actually end up just maybe biting the bullet and just making my own. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to wait on that. I'm always inspired by my own stuff and I see like what's missing. I don't know if you're like that, but that's how my mind works, that if I'm missing something from my spread, then, you know. And here we go. So here is the final finished look. It's a little bit busier than what you saw a moment ago. Word of the week ends up being speaking your own truth. We broke up the goals into personal development as well as goals, just so that it doesn't say to-do list. I love the little Jane Davenport little details at the end of the week. And this is all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye!